I once loved a maid, and I loved her so well that I hated all others who spoke of her ill. And now she's rewarded me well for my pain, for she's gone to be wed to another. When I saw my love to the church go, with her maids and bridemaidens, she made a fine show. And I followed on with my heart full of woe, for she's to be wed to another. Then I saw my love sit down to dine. Well, I sat down beside her, I poured out her wine, and I drank to the girl that should have been mine. But she was now wed to another. The boys of the forest, they ask it of me, how many strawberries grow in the salt sea. And I ask it them back with a tear in my eye, how many ships sail in the forest? Go dig me a grave, let you dig it so deep, and cover it over with flowers so sweet, and close my poor eyelids forever in sleep, and maybe in death I'll forget her.